Well, we really had a big project ahead of us at St. Luke's Health System when it came to renovating our customer contact center. It was substandard for our needs, really, in many ways, physically and otherwise. But at the same time, we were also facing healthcare reform, right? So we had new mandates from the federal government around keeping our customer experience, customer service levels at a certain point. We'd been challenged internally at the health system to drop about $100 million from our budget. So we had some broader marketing initiatives that we also needed to solve and make sure we get right. And that's really where Lori Carr and Associates showed value for us. They came in and helped us keep focused on those broader marketing objectives so that we could be very pleased with the result at the end of the day. One of the very first and most important things that Lori Carr did for us was to help make sure we had the right people on board, that we hired the right people. Previously in our customer contact center, we had representatives that weren't very educated, certainly didn't have a lot of training on some of those broader marketing initiatives. So Lori helped us put a plan together where we could get the right people on board and make sure they had the mindset going in that would allow us to achieve those broader marketing objectives. One of the biggest needs we had was a need to drive referrals at the health system to some of our higher revenue services. And so what Lori Carr helped us to do was obviously bring the right people on board, understand the mindset to get us there. And we started working with her in about January, and a good month for us at that point might have been 10% of our calls that resulted in a referral. But by July or so, we were already up to about 24.5%. So it was a great result for us. One of the unique things about our market is it's extremely competitive from a hospital or health system perspective. We have about 8 very large competitive systems that serve a metro area of around 2 million people. So the importance of making sure that your customer experience is where it needs to be is really paramount as a leadership team. And so really the contact center became a hallmark project for us in terms of making sure that we could have those top positions. And really when you look at the ratings, we've been able to stay pretty consistently in the top 2 as measured by NRC and others from a customer experience standpoint. So at the end of the day, Lori Carr and Associates really helped us broaden our view, focus on the strategic, move beyond the tactical, get us to those key marketing objectives that were going to move the marketing measures for us in the direction that we needed. So I'd recommend her highly to any organization that is looking for that kind of strategic approach.